Hello, I'm Dr. Sirisha and a warm welcome to you back to my channel. In this video, we'll try to understand the need and importance of having a routine. Yes, having a routine in our life and the importance of it and the contribution it makes towards motivation, towards our productivity and towards our success at the end of the day. Okay, it seems a very light, maybe on a very lighter note, like saying routine is very important or having a routine is very important, but trust me, it is very important, and I am sure you will agree with me by the end of this video. Okay, see, basically having a motivation, like I have done lots of videos on motivation, but a motivation is something very tricky. Why? Because we cannot be motivated all the time. We cannot have that zeal and that enthusiasm to perform to the fullest extent all the time, because that, I believe, is humanly impossible to be motivated all the time. Okay, but in order to make it, in order to be successful, in order to be productive, in order to prove ourselves or to prove our worth to our own selves and to others, it is important for us to be motivated. Okay, now the point here is we cannot always maintain that, loads and tons of inspiration all the time within us. And having this routine, having a repetitive procedure or repetitions, like every day, that maintaining that consistency in our life, having those daily routines, having those daily rituals, that really makes us like feeling that it gives us that sense of being in control. Especially, this routine can be related to primary routine, which is mostly our daily living things, like what we do to make our lives going every day. Primary routine activities like getting up at the same time every day, like maintaining personal hygiene, doing small rituals, cooking, eating, all those daily living things. Those are all primary activities when it comes to routine, and secondary activities when it comes to routine are more important, like they are related to our goals and leisure activities. We all just routine is not very simple as it sounds. We all have certain activities, we all like certain activities, and we all do perform certain activities which really are close to our heart. Like maybe you may go on a walk for a 30-minute walk or a 15-minute walk every day. That is your routine, and that is really something contributing to your goal, maybe your health goal or any other goal, like maintaining your personality or your integrity, basically, as a human, as an individual. So those goals which really help, or those routine activities which really drive us towards our goals, and those which includes the leisure activities also. Maybe you paint, maybe you wish to, or you love to listen to music or watch a TV show. They may sound very little, but they really mean something to you, not to anybody else. I'm just speaking about your own self. So those routine activities, or maybe you like to maintain a journal, a diary, write a diary for 5 minutes or 10 minutes, or spend some time reading. Those kind of routine activities, they really help us stay together, stay composed, which is very, very important. And as it says, like, it is always easy to rely on small consistent actions as opposed to loads of inspiration at a time. Okay, we cannot always be having these outbursts of inspiration or enthusiasm or motivation, and it is not very intelligent to rely on those sudden outbursts of inspiration also. Because we all have, as humans, we all have those feelings, no, like sometimes we feel like doing lots of things at once, and it dies away. That kind of motivation, it dies away. But these little things, these little small consistent things which are called routines, they are not going to give you tons of motivation at a time, but they definitely are going to help you in maintaining your integrity and to put you alive. You know what I mean by alive here. Okay. And routine also improves mental health or mental well-being, because we, it acts as a mood stabilizer. Like even if we do not feel like doing something, because it is a routine, we do it, right? So we compose ourselves, we push ourselves to doing certain things. And when we do certain things, even though they are very small, I'm not talking about the magnitude of things here, but doing certain things, that really gives us a sense of achievement, which in itself helps in improving our mental health and which stabilizes our mood, which keeps us away from, negative emotions. So that is the importance of having a routine. And it also reduces our overthinking. When we have a ritual or when we have a routine in our life, we don't have to overthink about anything and everything all the time. We don't have to really do that, because we are all set to have a routine, a timing for everything. And when we do that, we don't have to every time think and stress ourselves and overload ourselves with, negative emotions. That is another benefit of having a good routine. Okay. And it also offers a sense of control to us, right? Which is very important. We always like to have that control. Whether we like it or not, human beings are control freaks. We all love to have that control. It may be over our own lives or on the lives of others, but that is true. And routine really helps us satisfy that urge of having control, because you don't have to, do big things. You have a routine, a set routine, which really contributes something to your own life. So it is not always like a reactionary life. Something happens and you react. No, you have a set routine, and that routine will help you give the feeling of having that control over your life, which is a good thing. Okay, and that is the reason why when you observe or when you just go through the interviews or biographies of successful people, most of them, they definitely have a routine for themselves and they stick to their routine. Okay, and their routine, not just apart from these daily living or primary routine activities, the routines of successful people, if you just have time, just go through some of the interviews of any successful people across the world. They will have certain contributing routines, and that is the reason those contributing routines will definitely help them in getting that needed motivation, and those routines will help you keep intact when you do not feel motivated. Okay, so that is the importance of having a routine, and I hope you will like this video and this video will definitely helps you in cultivating a meaningful routine in your life also. Thank you.